Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys an app that you can use to learn C programming at your convenience. So without wasting more time, let's get right to it. Now, one thing you should know about this app is that you can learn C programming anywhere and anytime. Like when I was actually trying to get a hang of C programming, this was an app. This was the app that I used, and it really helped me out. It really solidified my foundations in C programming. So I just want to show you guys the app. So without wasting time, let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is you open up your app store or your Play Store, and then you look up learn C programming. This first option here, programmings. So you open it up. So this is the app right here. Learn C programming, programmings. I've already downloaded it, so I just have to open it up. So this is the app right here. This is the interface. As you can see, they have a rating of 4.8 stars. As you can see, this is a review of someone who made use of the app. So guys, this is the app right here, programming. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And then it will load up. Then as you can see, one reason why I actually like this app is that it's very, very easy to understand. Okay, let's say our next lesson now is if else statement. So we'll go ahead and start lesson. As you can see, it is very, very easy to understand, very short, brief, and very understandable. Then at the end of each course, you get to take a quiz, and this quiz is very, very helpful. It doesn't actually matter if you know what you're doing or not, because they'll explain the answers for you and how they went about it. So if you're thinking of if you're having a hard time with C programming, this is the app for you. So just download this app and then learn C programming with it.